Hi, I'm Miss Caitlin. I'm a primary educator here at the schoolhouse, and I am here to teach you how to write a word. It's important that we go over how to write a word because as soon as your child knows all of their sounds, they can begin forming words. And with practice, they can start writing their own sentences, stories, and thoughts. So this is our movable alphabet. And this is what we use to begin writing words. When your child is first starting, you'll want to suggest a CVC word, which is a consonant, vowel, consonant word. So words like cat, bat, sun, log, run, any word that follows that pattern of consonant, vowel, consonant. So let's say you're starting with cat. You would say to your child, let's write the word cat. I hear 3 sounds, k, a, t. Let's see if we can find those 3 sounds. So then you might help them. K, a, and t. You would say you wrote cat. Once your child learns that word pattern of consonant, vowel, consonant, they may start to want to write more advanced words that they can think of in their imagination. So maybe they want to write animals. And for example, maybe they'll write the word giraffe. They might spell giraffe as j, r, a, if your child spells giraffe this way, it is okay because this is the correct phonetic spelling of giraffe. They have found all of the correct sounds that they can hear in that word. And in the beginning, when a child is first learning how to write words, we want to encourage them to continue writing. And if we got stuck on the spelling of the word, it might get in the way of their motivation. So in the beginning, when they're first learning, as long as they have spelt the word correctly phonetically with all of the correct sounds that they can hear, this is considered correct. And that's how you write a word. At the schoolhouse, we appreciate you, our learners, our parents, and the community. Thanks for learning with me, and we'll see you next time.